Alright, man and his brother stall. This is just like trapeze stall. Trapeze stall looks like this. Man and his brother stall looks like this, right? So we're just on the other direction. Same idea, the yo-yo's not spinning, right, but it's partially wound up, and we get it back to the hand like that. So you have to know trapeze stall to be able to do this, so go back and learn that if you haven't already. Throw a trapeze stall, and then regenerate the yo-yo around your freehand index finger, going around your freehand middle finger, and then you're going to intercept it on the other side as it comes back, as it responds, with your index finger on your freehand side, throw hand side. So, like that, right? So you can see it's basically a trapeze stall just on the other side of your body. The yo-yo is not moving, right? It's partially wound up. And then to get out of it, we throw it around our index finger on our throw hand side and bring it back to the hand, right? So once again, one side, other side, right? It's really not too complicated, but it can be tricky to get it at first. One thing that's really important, the spin direction makes a big difference. When you regenerate that trapeze stall, the spin direction changes, which lets you land it over here, right? If you don't do that, if you just do a trapeze, well, you couldn't land it in brother stall now, right? Because the spin direction hasn't made that reverse. So it's got to make that trapeze stall first, then you can land it over here, right? You can also do a nice little repeater, right? You can do this pretty much all day. It's a good way to work on your stall consistency, right? Trapeze stall, man and his brother stall. All right, have fun.